Today we're going to teach you how to perform CPR.
We will provide you with a real-life example of someone undergoing heart failure and then the steps to how to deal with it. The first symptom is unresponsiveness. So the first thing you need to do when you see someone like this in this position is shake them and call out and see if they wake up in any way. Hello? Are you awake? Are you awake? Can you hear me? It's checking the pulse. If there's no pulse, then CPR will be needed. You want to check their carotid artery on the right side, or the side that you're on. In this situation, I feel no pulse, so CPR will be, just so I can't breathe, will be needed. It's very important that someone around you will call 911, so then the paramedics will come and assist you in the CPR. This case, my grandma here will call 911. It's time to perform CPR. For an adult, 30 chest compressions are required in between 2 breaths. Raise the person's arm. Make sure your knees are located in this position. Clasp one hand over the other, and let's get started. Place your hands in the middle of the chest where the heart is located. It's important to count out loud while you're doing the chest compressions to make sure you know what number you're on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now 2 breaths. Make sure chin is tilted up, and so there's an airway that's passing through. Boom, boom, 2 breaths. And then 30 more, and then two more breaths after that. Wakes up. Make sure you put them at the recovery position on their side with one leg tilted, so then if they throw up, they will not choke on their vomit. Some precautions that you need to be aware of before performing CPR are that you have to make sure that the person is actually unconscious before performing CPR, and to make sure that they're in the correct age group, to make sure you're doing the correct chest compressions to breathing ratio.
You should also make sure that the victim is out of reach of water, just in case you have to use the AED. As well, if the victim has wounds, make sure you take care of the wounds first before the chest compressions.
Some first aid that you might want to have on hand while you perform CPR include a mouth guard and an AED device if you need to perform an electrical shock to the person. And lastly, any other basic first aid materials that you might need while performing CPR.
Thank you, and be safe.